This is Okocha Happy Marcel. Good evening, everyone. All right, today is Tuesday, March 11, and this protest happened today. And as I do ask a lot of people questions, when is all these things going to end? This is Yoruba Land. 20 people were killed yesterday. Today, 7 people were adopted, the same state. So these people have right to protest the way they are protesting. This is not acceptable at all. Look at the kind of penury people are going through. Now, if you ask every average Nigerian, what is the solution to this? They will tell you that it's just the separation of this country. Tell me now, who are the Fulanis terrorists to invade Yoruba Land and start killing Yoruba people? It's not, if not because of one Nigeria. The earlier you people realize this is better. Every day I am here telling you because of posterity's sake. Internet never forget. Next 50 years, your children will remind you, either you are a father or you are a mother, they will remind you of dad or mom. Why didn't you speak out? Why didn't you advocate for us to leave this entity? Because I wonder the kind of life you are living for your children. I wonder the kind of destiny you are living for your children. Now, because some places, because some people have not been affected, their mother has not been killed, their brother has not been killed, and they think that, oh, everything is okay, let's just be managing, let's just be pushing. Anyway, it is going to be a lot of, bad days ahead. Now, it is breaking that protests erupt in Akure after kidnappers adopt 9 surveyors in Ondo State. I want to use this article to really expatiate what really transpired so that you will get the full taste of this news. Kidnappers suspected to be Fulani terrorists have adopted 9 surveyors in Ondo State in a fresh wave of kidnapping rocking the region. This development has sparked protests as demonstrators stormed Akure, the Ondo State capital. The adoption reportedly took place at Owode Indu Abo in Akure South local government area. The victims, all surveyors, are said to be native of Akure. Carrying black cars, protesting women blocked the popular Oba Adesina Road in Akure, demanding action from authorities. According to The Nation, Comfort Afolabi, a sister of one of the kidnapped victims, revealed that the 9 surveyors were adopted last week. She further stated the kidnappers had demanded 50 million before they would begin negotiations for their release. She added that the kidnappers have now placed the ransom at 100 million before they will release their victims. Kidnappings have been on the rise in Ondo State. Last week, a farmer and his manager were adopted while returning from their farm in Oba in the area. Sahara Reporters previously reported that no fewer than 20 people were reportedly killed after bandits invaded and sacked 4 communities in the Akure North local government area of Ondo State. The affected communities, which include Aba Andajido, Aba Sunday, Aba Pastor, and Ademekun, were attacked on Sunday midnight, forcing residents to flee for safety. Sources had suggested the death toll could be much higher, with one resident claiming that over 40 people may have been killed, while many others remain missing. The attack started last Monday, but the most severe assault happened on Friday night. The bandits struck while the people were asleep, opening fire indiscriminately. Many ran into the bush, while some were not lucky, the residents recounted. He added, security forces arrived on Sunday and recovered some bodies, but many are still missing. If they search further, more corpses will likely be found in the bush. The Ondo State Police Public Relations Officer, Fumi Adonlami, confirmed the attack, stating that an investigation had been launched and officers had been deployed to restore order. The matter was reported on Saturday that Aba Pastor community was attacked. The command immediately swung into action to ensure normalcy and to track down the perpetrators, she said. The regent of Ademoku community, Princess Adenowo Adekemi Sonda, revealed that 14 people were killed in her community alone. This is what is happening in Yoruba Land. Let me know what you think on the comment section. I am Okocha Happy Marcel.
Now they were demanding for 100 million. We were even negotiating with them that they should please. We only have 10 million, they said no. So they make a week if they were kidnapped. Please, we are here now to show our interest. Please, we have governors, we have helpers. We don't we don't know what to do. The man, the streets that they kidnapped this guy, the man is on the hospital. He's been hospitalized. Please, we are begging. Let Akure people help us. Let Akure people help us. Please. Bàbá tó dáná sí lọ́rùn hospital ló wà. Ẹ jọ̀ọ́, ẹ bá wa jáde, ẹ bá wa bẹ̀ wọ́n, kó tú wọn sílẹ̀. Ọkùnrin mẹ́sàn-án, wọ́n ní ìyàwó, wọ́n bímọ. Àfi 50 million bẹ̀bẹ̀, wọ́n ní wọn gbà. Wọ́n lọ́dọ̀ million mẹ́kùn ní ìlú àbò. Wọ́n ti kó wọn. Òṣìṣẹ́ Sọ̀fíà ni wọ́n o. Abẹ̀bẹ̀ o. Ẹ ṣàánú. Abíyamọ. Ẹ ṣàánú o. Bàbá ẹ̀ka ẹ ṣàánú o. Wọ́n ti wọlé sí wa lára o. Ìjọba ràn wá lọ́wọ́ o. Àwọn èèyàn wá bọ̀ lọ́nà. Ẹ ṣàánú o. Ẹ jọ̀ọ́. Abẹ̀bẹ̀ lórúkọ Abíyamọ. Ìjọba jáde sí wa.